I'm gonna get her a stick. You can't have any more cheese. I have too much, there's too much crap on the counter. Hold on. Way too much fucking shit on this counter. Pisses me off when I got too much crap on the counter. I'm gonna give you a stick. You want a stick? Hey, get out. You want a stick? And then she runs away. And there she goes. Is Goose a vocal husky? No, she's completely silent. She does not say anything ever. I think you guys might have heard her yawn earlier. That's the most she will say. She doesn't say anything. She's so quiet. Alright. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Get out of here, Goose. Because you're way. Hell yeah. Chicken. Ooh. And clean up, and then. Not now. Is my dog broken? No, she's perfect. Just shoot. Good girl. Good girl. She listens, for the most part. She tries. You have a dog named Goose? Do you also have a goose named dog? No, but I'm working on that. That is in the works. Alright, so I have my cheese. I've successfully cut my cheese. Now, I'm gonna get my bread. And I'm going to put my butter on my bread. Put my butter on my bread. I melted this butter. Confirmed. Goose, get out of here. She does not listen. I lied. She doesn't listen. She does immediately, but then she'll come back. And then she'll lie down. There, like she's doing right now. But she's okay. She's just, you know, nobody's perfect. Someone redeemed cat ears. Oh, that's gonna be a refund because I don't have any cat ears in my kitchen. Sorry. I guess not. Oh, you're my assistants. No, we don't need them. No, it's fine. All right. Sorry. Oh, Bulver did remove cat ears. Wait, now what do I do? Did it already get refunded? Is that a double refund? Is that just a double refund at that point? Okay, so now I got my bread buttered. It's not refunded yet. Womp womp. Is that high protein bread? This is sourdough. This is sourdough. Apparently, sourdough is special. Because it's like, someone told me it's like, really highly digestible or something. Then I'm gonna put mayo on this bitch. Oh, hell yeah. You're not ready for this. Oh, mama. Hey, look, I'm not perfect. Okay. Oh yeah. I put some mayonnaise on this. Lube it up. I got some avocado mayo. Hi, Seymour Butts. Welcome again. It's full of probiotics from the bacterial growth similar to yogurt. Yes, thank you. It's healthy. Healthy bread. Yep. Thanks for regurgitating that for me. Fantasy!
Fantasy just subscribed.
Goose, you want to do the sub dance with me? Woo! Okay. My chicken. I actually don't know if my chicken is done cooking yet. Let's find out. Jesus, Goose. You're doing this to me.